Buddy, and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge your own phone using your speaker. So at first you have to prepare yourself a USB type A to type C cable, or of course a cable that fits your phone. From it's of course USB type C, and then we have to search for the charging ports, and it's here. We have to uncover this cover, and here we have the USB type A port. We have to plug our USB type A cable into this port. Let me do so. Now when it's plugged, we have to plug this part of the cable into our phone. So this is the phone. If we plug it, our phone is now charging. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.